Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Kit Unboxing Day and here I have the Simon Says Stamp May 2023 card kit, which is called the best year yet. Well, the kit is currently sold out, but you can definitely purchase all of these products individually. I will leave a link down in the description box below for all the products that are part of this kit. I will also leave a link to the Simon Says Stamp Card Kit Gallery where you can find some fun designs and inspirations by some amazingly talented designers. Well, before we get started, I would really appreciate if you could take a minute to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss the next time I post a new video. Let's take a look at the contents of this kit. Well, every kit comes with an inspiration sheets with 6 beautiful designs of cards, enough for you to get started. Well, the May 2023 card kit, the best year yet kit, contains a lot of fun, colorful, sparkly products. Along with the huge 6 by 8 stamp set and dies, we have some really sparkly embellishments, glitter pens, and tools in this kit. Well, here we have a bag of the Simon Says Stamp Surprise Party Sequins, which comes along with the Simon Says Stamp Triangle Tray. This tray is very helpful to hold all of these tiny little sequences. And well, take a look at the sequence mix. It's so colorful, you can use it for so many multiple projects. We have flat sequins and sequences with a slight dimension to it. It'll be perfect not just to embellish your card front, but also for most of your shaker cards. To perfectly match with the sequins and the embellishment tray, here we have the Simon Says Stamp Place and Pierce Embellishment Wand. This is a dual purpose wand where one end is very sharp and pointy that allows you to pierce through paper, cardstock, or even fabric. Well, I personally use the pointy end to align my embellishments on the card front very precisely to get a very professional look. On the other hand, we have a coated precision ball tip, which helps you to effortlessly place and position small embellishments, die cuts, sequins, and accurately place them on your desired position onto your card front. Here, take a look at how precisely this helps me pick up all of these little tiny sequences and position them in place. Next, we have this beautiful blue tag, which would be perfect for your gift tags, or you could also use it to embellish or as a focal point for your card fronts. It measures 1.5 by 3 1/4, which would be perfect to adhere onto your A2 size card fronts. Next, we have a pack of 7 glitter gel pens. Well, we have pink, orange, green, blue, purple, gold, and silver. These would be perfect for adding a pop of color and shine to your designs. Well, if you know me, you will know that I love adding shine and sparkle to all of my cards. I usually use my Spectrum Noir glitter brush pens for all of my projects, but I'm really excited to try these gel pens on my card fronts. And well, I will be definitely using them in most of my coming projects. These are water-based inks, so they blend beautifully and they are very soft, and the ink dried up really quickly, so I didn't have to worry about any smudging. Next, we have this large fancy happy birthday die, which measures approximately, well, a little more than 2.5 by 4.5 inches. This would be perfect for your A2 size card fronts. You could cut these out and use them as focal points on your card, or even cut out a card base and use this as your shaker window. Next, we have the new and exclusive Simon Says Stamp A2 size pastel color blend cardstock pack. We have 8 designs here, 8 gorgeous gradient A2 size panels, which have a look as if they're color blended or ink blended. These are 100-pound cardstocks. If you look closely, these are glossy in texture and not matte finished. And these would be perfect for foiling, die cutting, and used as your backgrounds. You could even die cut the big fancy happy birthday using these papers. Well, for me, the most exciting part of any kit is the huge 6 by 8 stamp. Here we have the best year yet stamp, which is this beautiful birthday themed stamp. It comes with a bunch of different birthday sentiments in beautiful bold fonts. We have tiny little gifts, balloons, candles, and cakes, perfect for birthday cards throughout the year. It also has these tiny little sentiments which you could cut out to make sentiment strips, or you could use for the inside of your card. Next, we have the sheet of Stamp and Cut shrink sheet, which is perfect for stamping and die cutting. And well, I have never personally used this product, but it is designed to stamp your image and then shrink it up to 20% its size. Next, the cardstocks included in the kit. We have an 80-pound Neenah Solar White, then a 100-pound blue and doll pink cardstocks, both by Simon's Stamp. So that was a look at the Simon System May 2023 card kit, which is the best year yet card kit. And I can tell you it is definitely jam packed with some amazing products. The stamp set is really gorgeous. It can be used throughout the year. There are a lot of sparkly products, new products, which I'm yet to try and would love to share it with you guys. These color blend cardstocks are totally gorgeous. The glitter gel pens, well, they are really sparkly, and in my next card, which will I will be uploading really soon, I'll be using these glitter pens. Thank you so much for joining me today for this kit unboxing. I will leave a link down in the description box below for all the supplies that are part of this kit. I would love for you to become a subscriber to my channel, and if you do subscribe or are already a subscriber, please make sure to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss the next time I post. Hit the like button and let me know in the comments down below if you have any ideas or suggestions. Also, if you'd like to share your creations, please tag me on my Instagram at rp_shutterbug. There's a link to that in the description box below. Thank you again for joining me. Until next time, stay safe.